are polished by friction, while the man perfected by trials. Hi, hello, mabuhay. Standing here in front of you is a fresh and indeed innocent 19 years old tenor. I'm all the way last from Tariq Suleiman in Macabebe, province of Pampanga. This is Kian Chloe Francisco in real life, but for tonight, yes, only tonight, allowed me to stand and by the name and carry the image of ang babaeng bawal hawakan. Baka hindi nyo na mabitawan. Ang babaeng bawal titigan. Baka inyong hanap-hanapin. Inosente sa paningin, pero hayop ang dating. Ako po ay muling nagbabalik bilang inyong fantasya ng bayan, your one and only Miss Ashley Ortega. Miss Ashley Ortega na nag-iwan ng isang kasabihang, ang taong nagpapakataas ay siyang pilit ibinababa, at ang taong nagpapakababa ay siyang pilit itinataas. Once again, this is Kian Chloe Francisco. Tonight, I am wearing and representing the festivities and culture our very own 7,107 islands. I'm proudly to represent the modern Filipiniana of Las Islas, Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3, Ms. Ashley Ortega.